expressed investigation that you think will affect the ability of the plants to produce food molecules. What's the thing that we didn't check? Go ahead, Sakela.
Did not use soil or sun.
Okay, so we did not use soil or sun, we didn't add that as part of our assessment. Go ahead, Noah.
Oxygen and sunlight levels.
Okay, so we didn't monitor those, and you were gonna say? So, and how would they affect the ability of the plant to produce food molecules? So answer that part for me. How would sunlight affect it, Noah?
Sunlight would affect the growth because if it's in the dark, like it kind of is right now.
Okay,
The plant would not grow and it wouldn't have enough nutrients from the sun.
okay, and what had you said, Sakela?
Is number one, right?
Right.
I said the plant. My question was what plant using the carbon dioxide for. So is that the one I'm answering right now?
No, we're still on the first one. I'm asking you more details about it.
Soil or sun.
Soil sun. Is with a two plant? Yeah. What is the
Plants can
Read
grow
the
without
question.
soil.
Let her answer for herself. Says,
Oh, I only asked one part. I only answered one part of the question. Sorry.
okay, so, all right, so how we'll verbalize it now.
Okay. Also, soil, sun, carbon dioxide, water, and that's it.
Okay, but the question is, in the space provided, list the two variables you did not test, that you do not think, and how they would affect the ability of the plant to produce food molecules.
Oh.
So how would those two affect it?
The soil would help the ability to produce food molecules because it warms the plant and it keeps it from dying. And then the sun causes photosynthesis, which is a chemical reaction which lets the plant create its own nutrients.
Okay, go ahead.
Just to build on a little more, the soil doesn't allow the plant to get nutrients, it is the nutrients for the plant.
Okay.
So the soil gives the plant nutrients versus the sunlight, which Sakela said gives photosynthesis, which allows the plant to create its own.
Not gives photosynthesis, but
help.
enables it,
Yes.
yeah, go ahead.
So like I think when we didn't like monitor the sunlight levels, like if you look at the potatoes, like some of them grew more than
This
others.
is true, yeah.
So I think that if we maybe put them all in a different spot where they all had equal sunlight, their growth would have been different.
This is true, go ahead.
Wait, was she saying that the growth is different because of the sun?
She was saying how it would affect it if sunlight.
I
Because
would say
they're all
like, they're not all gonna grow the same no matter
But
what.
maybe
Okay,
if they
so
were
wait.
more
Good, more controls, but also
Even
why,
if we
why
did
is that?
everything the exact same, they're not gonna grow the same. That's not every potato seed.
Yeah, I mean, that's-
There's so many variables that go along with it.
Thank you, that as well, that was another factor too, is that even if we didn't account those two things, there's even micro variables that we didn't even encounter,
I
good.
mean, there are many things that you could track. to
Okay,
see.
good, now number one down here. What was the plant using the carbon dioxide for? Something very specific, Will?
Photosynthesis.
Okay, it was using it for photosynthesis, but one more important thing, go ahead, Alyssa.
You are using it to grow and build glucose with water. And
Wait, that last part, repeat it again.
And to build glucose with
Well,
water.
thank you, make sure you all have that, so looking at some of your answers, that was a part that was missing. So
and
repeat that one more time,
okay.
stop.
You are using it to grow and build glucose with water
Good.
and combine certain molecules to make other molecules.
That is the most important part, because plants need the glucose for what?
For,
To live.
To live, that's their energy source, right, so they're storing and making their own. Okay, good.
And to live, they should grow.
Yes, that's a huge key indication. Okay, 2, predict what would happen to a plant if you grew it in a room without carbon dioxide and why? Matthew, what do you think for that one?
So I was like in a room with that carbon dioxide, because I think it would slowly die because it would need the carbon dioxide to breathe.
Needs it to,
For like photosynthesis.
needs it for photosynthesis, needs it to live. Sakala, what did you want to add?
Well, basically, like you said, it makes it better nutrients, just more.
Excellent, right, make more nutrients. Will, what did you want to add?
I was gonna say massive.
Okay, great, good. All right, 3, if your teacher repeated the experiment with the with a plant or potato plant in a test tube of indicator for carbon dioxide in the dark, would the color of the indicator change from yellow to blue, and why? Okay, well, first of all, we know the indicator starts out blue, and then once you blow carbon dioxide in, it changes, right?
And then it gets light. Yeah, but
Okay,
it go to
so-
yellow.
Okay, so if it starts out yellow and I put a leaf in there, why would it change to blue? This is an if, this is where you're doing a thought experiment.
Isn't it because of the chemical reaction?
That's a huge part of it. Paris, go ahead.
Well, yeah, like the chemical reaction.
The chemical reaction, Spencer.
In the color of the leaf.
Not so much the color of the leaves.
The chemical reaction.
The chemical reaction, yes.
I think you do the chemical reaction.
Yes, but what specifically? Go ahead, Sakella.
Wouldn't he taking the carbon dioxide from the solution and putting it into leaves, so therefore the whatever you call the blue stuff,
Yes.
it would then return to its natural color.
Okay, thank you. So because the carbon dioxide is being extracted and used, it would go back to its original color. If you did not have anything like that, change your answers on it. So it is being used for a chemical reaction, and the indicator would change color.
For a chemical reaction. And the indicator would what?
And the indicator would change color because the carbon dioxide was being used. And by the way, what was the chemical reaction?
Changing color in the bubbles.
And what was the chemical reaction we're talking about? Photosynthesis, good. Okay, and then I think. Yep.
Wait,
And-
what do you, so can I say
Go
that,
ahead.
this doesn't make sense.
Go ahead, say it again.
Is being used for chemical reaction and the indicator would change color because carbon dioxide is being used to make photosynthesis. Is that grammatically correct?
To be used during
To be
photosynthesis.
used during, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay, did you all have something in that realm, right?
Yes. Okay,
Last question. Ready? Last question goes ahead. Alyssa, it says, why does photosynthesis require 6 molecules of carbon dioxide? Go ahead.
You need like everything to be like balanced and controlled.
It has to be equal, balanced. What did you say, Sakella?
Also because it needs at least 6 molecules to make the glucose, which keeps it to survive.
That is, you have to have both those parts.
Wait.
In order for it to be a balanced chemical reaction, glucose requires 6 carbons. Because it's C6H12O6 for glucose. Has 6 carbons. Go ahead, Noah.
Glucose is a very complex molecule. It needs a balanced amount for the balanced
And part of that is it's required of 6
In order to
carbons.
have a balanced chemical reaction, what?
Glucose needs 6
Carbon.
carbons.
Excellent. Okay. All right, so now what I want you guys to do is go, I'm gonna time you. I'll give you about
In our group.
5-10 minutes max to go with your groups to look at go back to activity 7.2. You guys are going to go look at your data tables and answer your questions. Yeah? And then we're going to meet up and talk about what you found out, and then we're going to move forward. So I'll give you 5 or 10 minutes to go with your groups now, you guys. Well, you would see a little bit. I wouldn't say significant. You should,
There is 0 change.
as long as you saw 2 bubbles, and I think you see a mild color change, but yeah.
Allowed it. Hold on to that. Yeah, there are. Oh, yeah, this is still blue. Still blue.
Oh, there's a bubble in the water bowl.
There's balls in the loop.
Saw some bubbles in here, if you guys see, this is like,
Use the rest
then turn on the lights. But you should see it being a little more
Bobby,
light.
was it exposed to light? Was it? Do you call this exposed to light?
Mildly, yes. I'm gonna turn on the set of lights. Okay.
So Bobbi,
Not
this
necessarily.
Guys, this